Hello and welcome to our 1 year backpacking series. I am Brooke and we are 7 months into our year-long adventure. We're in Guatemala at the moment and we're heading to Lake Atitlán today for a Spanish school experience. We've decided to go with San Pedro Spanish School and we'll be doing 3 nights in the homestay and 4 days worth of lessons. Pierce and I decided to do one-to-one tuition for 4 hours per day, and we have the from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock slot, but you can also do the morning one. I just think we booked it a little bit too late. We're actually doing this as a social media collaboration, but it would usually cost between £250 and £270 each. So we've completed our first day at Spanish school. It was quite intense, wasn't it? Like quite tricky, but it was really good, and I think it'll be nice like tomorrow and the next couple of days we'll really get to learn it properly. We're at our homestay now. We've just had dinner and they are such a cute family. This is our room. So we have a double bed. Pierce is doing his learning at the desk. And then there is an option to do like a private bathroom, which we decided to go for. So got a shower, and then I'll show you the outside properly tomorrow, but it's really cute. There's like hammocks out here. It's nighttime now, so it's a bit dark. And then up here is like where the family lives, and there's a restaurant upstairs. We've just had breakfast with our homestay mum and practiced some Spanish. Now we're just going to take an hour and go over everything we learnt yesterday ahead of our lessons day at 1. I'm just going to chill in the hammock and then rewrite all my notes because I just can't take anything in when it's messy, and you know when you're learning you're like writing everything down really fast. So I'm going to rewrite everything and put it into some sort of order so I can actually understand it, and then I think we're going to walk into San Pedro town because our lesson's not until 1 o'clock. So each class has its own classroom. This is mine. And you can see that there's multiple that go all the way down to the lake. And then there's like a chill out area up here where people go for break time. I think there's also a school for the little kids because I keep seeing little ones come out of here. And this is like the chill out area where you can have some tea, coffee, water, or there's also sometimes some snacks. We've just finished our 3rd day at Spanish school, and because it's the 20th of December, they're having like a Christmas dinner and party night. So we're just getting ready now, and then everyone from the school goes, but all of your homestay families come with you as well. So we don't really know what it's going to be like. Apparently it's going to be like a salsa lesson and just some like dancing, music and dinner as well. So I'll bring you along so you can see it, but I think it's going to be a really cute last night to be here for. I have no idea what the outfit vibe is, so I'm just going to bring my big coat in case I'm overdressed. But I just literally got white pants and top on.
We're going. They change houses.
Human, yeah.
Una vaca en un concierto. No. Música.
We have just finished Spanish school. We had to do like a little presentation in Spanish to finish, and we have officially graduated and have the certificate to prove it. We aren't wasting any time. We got to Antigua around an hour ago and we're going straight to a Guatemalan cooking class. We're going to be doing this with Get Your Guide and it was around £40 each.
Guadalupe, por los 15 años.
Ah, vaya.
No. 2 y 3.
Feliz cumpleaños a ti, feliz cumpleaños a ti, feliz cumpleaños Guadalupe, feliz cumpleaños a ti.
Good morning, it is volcano climbing day. We are just getting ready now and our pickup's at 9 AM. We've booked this through Get Your Guide and I think we paid around £30 to £35 each, but that includes all of your food, your guide, and then we camp at the top too. All of us don't think we're going to do Fuego, but I'll keep you updated in case 2 of the boys want to. We've just arrived at our first stop. I say we're talking for about 20-30 minutes, but it starts out literally like this. It's so steep, but everyone that we spoke to said that is around the first 2 hours and then it gets better. To be honest, it's not actually been that bad. It is steep though. So we've arrived at camp, we're just waiting to get allocated our tents, but there is still no visibility at all. We haven't been able to see anything the whole way up, but we think there's going to be time for it to clear. So this is camp, and we're literally in the clouds. There's a space here where there's a fire. I think that's probably where we'll have dinner. And then there's 6 people to each tent. Everyone's getting off somewhere now. We've just had a fire going, so we've got hot chocolate coming and then breakfast.